Hey, what's up? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out the Brigit app, and let's check it out to see whether this is a legit way to manage your finances, get cash advances, make some money, or is this actually not a great way to do it? Let's check it all out. Anytime you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, just click the link below, and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Now, on this channel, I have reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. So let's check out Brigit to find out whether this is a yay or a nay. Okay, maybe there are better ways to make money online out there. Now, Brigit is a long-time finance app, a financial management app, where you can do budgeting, you can get cash advances so that you can get it for emergency money, make sure you don't overdraft, right? And you can also build your credit, which is pretty cool. Okay, now it's only available in the US, unfortunately, but if you're not based from the US right now, don't worry, stick around to the end of the video. I'm going to show you another cool way to make some money on the internet. Okay, now the thing with Brigit is that there are a few ways to do this. Okay, so first of all, you can download this app from the Google Play Store or the Google App Store, Apple App Store, sorry. And all you need to do is basically sign up with it for free. And the main thing is you need to link your bank account. So what happens is as soon as you link your bank account to Brigit, they're going to figure out whether or not you qualify for their cash advances, okay? Now, the important thing to understand about Brigit is you need to meet certain criteria. So in order for you to use their cash advances services, you must earn at least $1,500 per month, and it has to be regular, okay? They have the right to say no to whether or not they give you cash advances because it really depends on your credit and how much money you're making every single month and whether you can even pay them back, and that's really, really important, right? We'll talk about how much they cost in a second, the fees and all that kind of stuff, but the three main things that you can do with them is cash advances. You can use their budgeting tools to budget your spending, so spending versus earning, just to kind of understand your financial situation a little bit better, right? And you can use their credit building tool to apparently improve your credit. All right, we'll talk about that in a second, or whether that really works or not. Okay, so how much does this actually cost? All right, now this is important for you to understand. There are three plans, all right? There's the free plan, there's the plus plan, which is $8.99 per month, and there's the premium plan, which is $14.99 per month. Now, what's the main difference, okay? Now, the main difference is with the free plan, you can't get instant cash. That means that if you want a cash advance, right, and the cash advances, go usually between $50 and $100, it can go all the way up to $250, but you have to build up to that. You're not gonna get that instantly. It also depends on how long you've stayed on the platform, how much money you're making in your bank account, how regularly you pay back, things like that, okay? But for the most part, it starts off pretty small as a cash advance app, $50 to $100, right? And there have been some complaints about that because some people need a little bit more, and so they're not really advancing you that much. But if you use their free plan, you can't get it instantly. That means you have to wait for a few business days. Usually it's 2 to 3 business days before you can actually receive the cash advance. If you want instant, then you have to be a paid member, either the plus level or the premium level, okay? Now, it's not that much money, $8.99 per month or $14.99 per month, but some people have complained because, obviously, if you're using this app to save a little bit of money and get cash advance, you may not necessarily want to pay a monthly membership fee, all right? And that's what some people have complained about. The free plan doesn't allow you to use a credit builder. Neither does the plus plan, but the premium plan does allow you to use a credit builder that will help you to build your credit a little bit more. And the way that works is you can save money with them, and the more money you save, what's going to happen is it shows you that you are a regular saver and you've made regular payments, and they report that to the credit card bureaus, which will hopefully improve your credit card scores. We will come back to that in a second here. All right, so let me just cover a couple of things that's really, really important. All right, so first of all, depending on eligibility, all right, again, advances range from $25 to $250. Usually it's between $50 and $100, like I mentioned. $250, it takes you a little bit of time to build up, okay? Cash is not available, instant cash is not available in all states, so you do have to check in the US which states are available, all right? Again, standard delivery is free, and that takes 1 to 3 days, and that's free. You can use their free service. But if you want express delivery, all right, which is what a lot of people do use, it's pretty much, it arrives in a few minutes or up to 20 minutes. You have to be a paid member, so either plus or premium, okay? So $8.99 a month or $14.99 a month, right? So just remember that. And that's pretty much it in terms of the way that Brigit works, okay? So, most people use this as a cash advance app. All right. Some people use it as, helping them to budget and build their credit a little bit more. That is essentially it. Now let's check out the reviews and what some people have said about the actual application. Right now, this is Trustpilot. Trustpilot is a third-party review website. Usually anything below 4 stars is bad, so they've been reviewed at 4.6 stars, which is pretty good actually, right, for a finance app. Now, some people have, rated it 1 star. It's only 8% of people, so it's not that many people. And it is important to see what people are saying. If there's a pattern, usually that's a major issue, right? A lot of people are saying slightly different things when it comes to the 1 star. So generally, people do like the Brigit service, which is a good thing, all right? But some people are saying things like, the customer service wasn't great. Other people are saying that they weren't really able to improve their credit score. So even though they were saving with the app for a little while, their credit score remained the same. So again, sometimes their credit score system or their, doesn't necessarily work. Their credit building isn't as good as you may think it, as you want it to be sometimes, right? So just be aware of that. It may work for some people, but some people have said that, it doesn't really work. Some people have complained that even though they canceled, they were charged. All right, we'll talk about that in a second as well. All right, that could just be a mistake, but it has happened to them, right? Some people have said ridiculous fees, and let's talk about this a little bit, okay? So they generally have no fees. So if it's free and you don't get instant withdrawal, right, that's free, but you have to wait for 1 to 3 days, okay? Now, if you are a Plus member, $8.99 a month, or a Premium member, $14.99 a month, then you can get it instantly. But with the instant withdrawal, there is a fee, okay? It's called an express fee. Now, they charge about $3 to $4.99 for an express fee. So just understand that if you want your money instantly, you have to be a paid member, okay, either Plus or Premium, and they will charge you a fee for that instant cash advance. All right. Now, they don't really advertise that, unfortunately, and that, again, they should be advertising that. They should be very transparent about that. Some people get caught up with that, and that's why they give it a 1 star, right? But with most cash advance apps, even the ones that say that that it's no fees and things like that, most of them will charge for instant delivery of your funds on the same day. Okay, just if you want it in like the next 5 minutes, they will charge you a fee. These guys charge a fee, and you have to be a monthly member. Okay, now it's not the most expensive cash advance app. In fact, when you take the total of the cost, it's still pretty cheap compared to some of the other cash advance apps in the marketplace. So it's still not bad, but I think some people get caught out and they don't realize that they have to, pay this additional express fee, $3 to $4.99, right, on top of their monthly fee. So they get pissed off, and that's why they give it a 1 star. Okay, just so that you understand the issue. Now, something that I do want to bring up is that Brigit was sued by the Federal Trade Commission. Okay, and this is important before you decide to use them. Okay, now this is in the past, but it is important to understand what actually happened here. So what the FTC alleges is that Brigit falsely promised quick cash advances and made it difficult for customers to cancel. All right, so they settled and they paid $18 million in refunds to eligible customers. So this is a real thing that actually happened to Brigit, right? So what happened was they were basically, making it very difficult for people to cancel their subscription, which is really bad. Okay, that's not a good way to do business. So in their Plus plans, which they've changed now to $8.99, it used to be $9.99, right? They were making it very difficult for people to cancel, and that's not a good thing. Okay. They had some deceptive marketing as well, and so that's why they got sued by the FTC. They've said that they've changed their ways, but again, that's 100% up to you to decide. They do have good ratings here, right, overall, but obviously some people have complained about their services, so take that with a pinch of salt. Okay, I think overall, generally a good service, but they do have a bit of a checkered past. So if you do want to check them out and get some cash advance and get some budgeting software and some credit building as well, which may or may not work. It really depends on your situation, right? You can check them out here at hellobrigit.com. Okay, the thing that I want to explain very clearly though is that this type of application, while it's good to give you a little bit of a cash advance, I mean, it's really not that much. It's only $50 to $100, right? The problem with Brigit is it doesn't teach you how to generate income. It's more of a cash advance, helps you to, get some extra money just in case you need it. You do have to pay them back, right? They will charge you a fee for it. They will help you with budgeting and hopefully with that credit building, but they're not helping you to generate cash flow. Now, on this channel, I've reviewed many, many different strategies on how to generate income, right? I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. Some are better than others. Some are really not that great, right? But out of all the good ones that I've reviewed, I've even invested a lot of my own money into, I use this one strategy to completely change my life. I quit my full-time job because of it. I generate multiple 5 figures a month because of it. I think it's great for beginners, anybody that wants to generate income from the comfort of their home. If you want to check it out, I've got a free step-by-step masterclass you can access. Just click the link right below this video, okay? I hope you enjoy this review of Brigit. I wish you all the best, and I will hope to see you soon on another video review.